My friends, tonight I've had my wife, my sister-in-law, my mother-in-law, 2 or 3 brother-in-laws. Shit, I got, welcome to the Philippines. I got about 8 people over here, and I'm cooking this pork right here. And my wife's sister, she told me to put the magic Sarap in there, and then my wife added some salt. So I'm gonna tell you right now, if this is too salty, it's not my fault because I was not going to add the magic Sarap or the salt, because I like to basically gauge the saltiness with the soy sauce. So this is what we got going on here. I got several folks waiting on this dish, and this thing is still going on in my little wok here. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit more. The thing about it, folks, is I want to thank you for being a subscriber. I want to thank you for watching my video, and this is going to turn out absolutely delicious unless my young sister-in-law and my wife and her mom was wrong by telling me to put the magic Sarap and the salt. I think it's too much salt. I gauge the salt and I control the salt with the soy sauce. But you know what? I'm not always right, so I try to, I try new things. But I think it's gonna be too salty. How's it look there, Flo? Looks all right. A little bit more. All right, so. There you have it. My wife's sister said cook it a little bit more. Shit, I'm so drunk I can't find my cigar. She said cook it a little bit more. I'm gonna listen to the young lady. My wife's on the camera, her mom's watching me. So I got a lot of stress on me tonight, baby. It's stressful to get this dish magnifique, but I'm gonna get it right, folks. So I'm gonna let my wife take a break because her hand's getting tired. And I'm gonna finish up this pork right here, and I'm gonna show you what the finished product looks like. And that's just the way it is. If it's too salty, you blame Florentina, which is my wife's younger sister, and you blame my wife, because my wife made me put the magic Sarap in there. No, wait a minute. Flo made me put the magic Sarap. My wife made me put the salt. I think it's too salty. But hey, I love to listen to other people's opinion. But just take a look at this, folks. We got some pork going on here. It is still rocking on like a champion. Look at that. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you're cooking on a wok, you get a wooden spoon. Don't cook with metal and don't cook with plastic. You get that wooden spoon, and you can be a fucking wok chef just like Marquitos. I'm here in the Philippines telling you everything you need to do. Alright, my friends, look, this thing right here is starting to get a little hot. I'm going to cover it up for a little bit. Later on, a little bit, I'm going to evaporate that off because I don't like soup, I want sauce. But right now, I want to make sure that stuff cooks. I got rice cooking over here. Boom! Hotness. People want reality. Not a reality show. That means bullshit. They want reality, and that's why I've got 1,800 subscribers. Because 1,800 people want fucking reality, and I'm not going to change for anybody. Anybody that wants me to change or deviate from my current course to make money, this is what you get. Right here. I'm everything that Anthony Bourdain wanted to be, but could not. I'm going to talk about that motherfucker later. Alright, back to my cooking. Thanks for joining me. Go ahead and cut it, baby, because I got to get back. Folks, I'm cooking this shit like a champion. Like a champion.
Ate, si Golden ba yung nakadaog? Hindi nakadaog.
Checking my rice. Oh shit, I just burnt the hell out of my thumb. Listen, my sister-in-law, she told me that's good. Don't mess with it. Look, can I take out the power or no? I can take the power? Yes? Alright, so Flo told me to take the power out, folks. The rice is cooked. My pork, I'm cooking it a little bit more because, like I said, man harnessed fire a long time ago. And they didn't harness fire because they wanted fucking rare meat. If they wanted to eat rare meat, they would not put the meat on the fire. They would just eat the rare meat. They harness fire because they wanted to cook that shit. It's more delicious. It has no bacteria. That's what I do. I don't play around. Alright, I can put a rhinoceros's ass in this wok. As long as I cook it properly, you're not gonna get sick. That's it. So I like to cook my shit well done. If you don't like it, fuck it. Go to some bullshit sushi restaurant in New York. You know, Anthony Bourdain recommended. Go eat that shit. You goddamn get sick. Then you gotta fucking take doxycyclines because your fucking ass is like a water hose. That's fucking reality. I cook my shit. And I'm appreciative to my fucking ancestors that learned how to harness fire. That's about done, right? You think that's done?
Little bit more.
What do you think about this rice, honey? That's done? That's done. Folks, I like that technique. A scoop and a turn. A scoop and a turn. A scoop and a turn. Scoop and then turn. A little scrape, 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 scrape. And then I do a scoop and then I turn. A scoop and then I turn. Scoop and then I turn. Listen, this is why you need a wooden spoon. Don't get no plastic shit. I hate plastic. Don't get no metal because you don't want metal on metal. It's too much friction and wear and tear. You put that wood right there. This spatula right here has made more delicious food than goddamn TGI Fridays. I'm gonna tell you right now. And look, we got this boiling off. So I've been cooking it. I've been cooking it with this guy on here, but it's time to evaporate. You see this evaporation? Evaporate some of the liquid because I'm not making soup. I take my time and I reduce this shit down to where it's a sauce. And if you put that sauce over rice, it is so delicious. I mean, you can put this over loaf bread. If you're an American, you gotta, I don't know if Wonder Bread is still in business. I ain't been there for a decade. But if Wonder Bread is still in business, you can take this right here and put this shit over Wonder Bread, and you don't need anything else. Just put that sauce over Wonder Bread. My God, you're gonna love it. So that's what I do. I do scoop and a turn. Scoop and turn. Scoop and turn. It's like learning how to fucking square dance or line dance. Real simple. Scoop and a turn. Scoop and a turn. Scoop and a turn on the meat. Baby, I'm sorry. Listen, you're gonna recover, but don't let the hot sauce hit the camera, okay? Your skin will recover the camera won't because it's $1,000. Scoop and turn, scoop and turn, scoop and turn. And I think it's almost done, folks. This has been cooking for a while, and I don't play around. I don't want no raw meat or anything like that going on. So what I'm going to do is put the lid on there. I'm going to let that shit cook for a minute. And hey, what I'm going to say, I want to thank you for joining me. The next step is eating.